Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Tuesday, December 31st, 2024. Let's take a look at the chart. Start with the big picture as usual, and that is that about 6 weeks ago, we settled the week above the 340.63 two-year channel top that set off a long-term buy signal, ultimately anticipating the 503.15 five-year channel top as a likely 3 to 5 month objective. About 3 to 5 weeks later, we came close to reaching it over 2 weeks ago and have since fallen away. Yes, you've got 414.49, the November 21 high here as an obvious price point to buy into. But in terms of structure, which is the way I like to view the markets with channel structures, etc., it really is this channel bottom at 434.43 to 436.90 that I think is more trend defining near term. In other words, the sell signal that did occur on Monday with the settlement below 434.43 does carry with it 387.53 as a by the end of next week or sooner objective, and 340.63 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, I think, is possible, is likely perhaps. It could take a little longer depending on volatility, but I do think that holding below 434.43 will keep 340.63 in reach over the next 2 to 3 weeks. 340.63, once again, nothing more than that former two-year channel top we settled above about 6 weeks ago. So, once again, we do have 414.49, an obvious support level. We do have it as an intraday support. Under other circumstances, we might call that a 3-star, 4-star support level. But because of the violation of these well-defined channel bottoms, we see likely bearish continuation down to 340.63. Now, if we close back above 436.90, that's another story altogether. And that does shrug off a classic sell signal. By closing back above 436.90, I would expect 465.58 within 3 to 5 days or less. And over the next couple of weeks, a return to, or I should say an outright test of, 503.15. So once again, closing back above 436.90 will keep 503.15 in reach then as a 1 to 2, 2 to 3 week objective. Closing above 436.90, no good reason to be short Tesla. There is a good reason to be short Tesla now, if your time frame is, say, 3 to 5 weeks out or less. Because over that time frame, 340.63 remains our objective. But if we close above 436.90, reverse, go long, 2 to 3 weeks later, we should reach into this 503.15 level. 503.15 is that 5-year channel top that can contain buying through the first quarter, possibly into later 25. And I will say that if we were over the coming weeks to close above 503.15, we enter kind of a new normal for Tesla. 607.73, then likely within a matter of weeks, and over the following several months, 3 to 5 months, 727.17 would be our next big picture objective. But we're a long way from that right now. What is relevant is this 434.43 to 436.90 region, an area you can sell short in anticipation of 387.53, possibly over the next 3 to 5 days. If we close today below 414.49, we will probably see 387.53 by the end of the week. Even though we are off on Wednesday, the market's closed obviously with New Year's Day. It would only take a couple of days then to reach 387.53, where yes, profits can be taken on a 3 to 5 day swing trade. So, yesterday's settlement below 434.43 was a 3 to 5 day swing trade to the downside, anticipating 387.53, and a 2 to 3, 3 to 5 week swing trade to the downside, anticipating 340.63. But once again, if we close today back above 436.90, we are off the sell signal. We are then expecting 503.15 within 2 to 3 weeks. And on the way up, we have 465.58 that would likely be tested within 3 to 5 days of closing above 436.90. 465.58 can contain daily buying pressures on the way up to 503.15. And if you were to how should I put it? This is also kind of a 2 to 3 day, 3 to 5 day swing trade up to 465.58. We can tap out here for a day, but I don't think much more than that. If we close above 465.58, it merely adds more fuel to the rally up to 503.15, a rally that we're expecting if we close above 436.90. My apologies on my phone going off incessantly. I want to throw it against the wall, to be honest with you, but I don't do that. Anyway, so I think I pretty much rounded it out. I'm going to leave you with this image. This is the most appropriate in terms of describing the dynamic. Yes, 414.49 still there. That is that 2021 previous all-time high, and we did come very close to testing it on Monday. We can bounce there today back into the mid 430s. That would present a sell signal or a short sale opportunity, anticipating ultimately the low 340s within 3 to 5 weeks. I think that pretty much covers it. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. You can see our daily triple Q, daily SPY analysis, our twice a week stock picks that are all sort of tailor-made for the 3 to 5 week out to the 3 to 5 month swing traders, always looking for at least a 20% move on those stocks. We also offer Apple stock analysis. Apple stock hit a very important level last week, a 5-year channel structure. You might want to see that too. I'm going to leave it at that. I will be back with Thursday's Tesla. We're taking Wednesday off. Have a great time with friends and family over New Year's Day, and we will see you on Thursday. Have a great day.